Question number 1. In which year of the First World War did Germany declare war on Russia and France? Correct answer is option A, in 1914. Question number 2. India first Technicolor film dash in the yearly in 1950 as was produced by. Correct answer is option A, Jhansi Ki Rani Sohrab. Question number 3. India has the largest deposits of dash in the world. Correct answer is option C, Mica. Question number 4. How many Lok Sabha seats belong to Rajasthan? Correct answer is option B, 25. Question number 5. India's first satellite is named after dash. Correct answer is option A, Aryabhatta. Question number 6. India's first atomic reactor was dash. Correct answer is option C, Apsara. Question number 7. India's first ocean waves energy project was launched in dash. Correct answer is option B, in 1991. Question number 8. When was the second OIC summit conference held? Correct answer is option A, in 1974. Question number 9. India's tallest stone statue of the Jain Sir Gomeshwara is 8 dash. Correct answer is option C, Sarvina Bila Gola, Karnataka. Question number 10. In a normal human body, the total number of red blood cells is. Correct answer is option B, 20 trillion. Question number 11. The largest state in terms of population is. Correct answer is option C, India. Question number 12. The largest wheat producing country in the world is. Correct answer is option B, India. Question number 13. INS Vindurte is located at. Correct answer is option A, Kochi. Question number 14. In which session do we need more fat? Correct answer is option C, winter. Question number 15. The headquarters of the International Atomic Energy Agency is located in. Correct answer is option B, Vienna. Question number 16. Which is the largest continent in terms of area? Correct answer is option B, Asia. Question number 17. The longest river in the world is. Correct answer is option B, Nile. Question number 18. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which country? Correct answer is option B, Australia. Question number 19. The first Olympic Games were held in. Correct answer is option B, Athens. Question number 20. The chemical symbol for gold is. Correct answer is option A, AU. Question number 21. Who wrote the famous novel in 1984? Correct answer is option A, George Orwell. Question number 22. The currency of Japan is. Correct answer is option B, yen. Question number 23. The pyramids of Giza are located in which country? Correct answer is option C, Egypt. Question number 24. The largest planet in our solar system is. Correct answer is option C, Jupiter. Question number 25. The tallest mountain in the world is. Correct answer is option C, Mount Everest. Question number 26. The Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect against. Correct answer is option A, invasions. Question number 27. The capital of Canada is. Correct answer is option C, Ottawa. Question number 28. The chemical symbol for silver is. Correct answer is option B, Ag. Question number 29. The author of the famous play Romeo and Juliet is. Correct answer is option A, William Shakespeare. Question number 30. The longest river in Asia is. Correct answer is option A, Yangtze. Question number 31. The study of earthquakes is called. Correct answer is option B, seismology. Question number 32. The currency of the United Kingdom is. Correct answer is option B, pound sterling. Question number 33. The Eiffel Tower is located in. Correct answer is option D, Paris. Question number 34. The largest desert in the world is. Correct answer is option A, Sahara. Question number 35. How many teeth does a normal adult dog have? Correct answer is option D, 42. Question number 36. How many red blood cells does the bone marrow produce every second? Correct answer is option D, 10 million. Question number 37. Which is the highest denomination of Indian currency notes currently in circulation? Correct answer is option C, 2000. Question number 38. Which Indian currency note features the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi along with the logo of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Correct answer is option B, 200. Question number 39. Which is the largest museum in India located in Kolkata? Correct answer is option C, Indian Museum. Question number 40. The Victoria Memorial is located in which Indian city? Correct answer is option D, Kolkata.